Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, needle nose pliers, a putty knife, and a chain. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the old power cord has been unplugged and shut off the incoming water supply. Unthread the hot and cold water supply hoses from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the upper rear access panel. Pull the panel straight up to remove. Disconnect the power cord wire connector from the control board and the line filter wire connector. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now unthread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. As well as the screw securing the access plate. Remove the plate. Now pull the main top forward, lift up, and align it on the screw brackets. Support the main top with the chain. You can now use the needle nose pliers to depress the retaining tab to fully release the old power cord. Remove the chain and reposition the washer's main top. Rethread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. Realign the access plate and secure it with the screw. You're now ready to install the new power cord. Snap the cord retainer into the slot in the main top. Connect the power cord wire connector to the control board and the line filter wire connector to the filter. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Replace the upper rear access panel and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Attach the hot and cold water supply hoses to the appropriate inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the new power cord in, and the washer should be ready for use.